So before going for the topic of rainbow, I would like to tell you the idea of what is total internal reflection, or we can call it TIR. Suppose there is a medium, a denser medium, that is this medium, and this is the rarer medium, that is air. This is the denser medium, say a slab or anything, a glass. Okay, let me explain what total internal reflection is. Say we have a normal like this. Let us pass an incident ray going from the denser medium to the rarer medium, that is from the slab outside the rarer medium. So let me pass an incident ray 1. This is I1. For incident ray 1, definitely this is a slab, so there will be refraction at this surface, and the refracted ray will have a greater angle with the normal than the incident ray, because from denser to rarer medium the refraction is greater with a greater angle. So the refraction will be greater, say this. For I1 the refraction will be R1. Okay, now similarly let's keep on sending the light rays, incident light rays, through this medium as I2. So the next refracted ray will be having greater angle than R1, so it will be like this. Now we'll keep on making these incident light rays, sorry. Now for I3 there will be a time that the refracted ray will be going through this slab surface. This is the surface of the denser medium. It will be going through this. Say for I3, R3 is equal to this line. So we can say the angle here becomes 90 degree. This is the critical angle. So I would like to tell you that for any incident angle such that the refracted ray will become equal to 90 degree, it is known as the critical angle. For any value of I3, the refracted ray which becomes equal to 90 degree with the normal is called as the critical angle. So this was about the critical angle. Similarly, now let's say there is some ray I4. There will be one time that the refraction will come back to the same medium from which the incident ray is taking place, and we know this angle of incidence will become equal to the angle of reflection. Here refraction is not taking place because it is in the same medium, so we will say there is reflection of light for I4. R4 is the reflected ray inside the same medium. This is known as the total internal reflection. So from this we can conclude that R is always greater than I. Angle I is always greater than angle I. That is why we have a critical angle for any lesser value of I. So this was all about the total internal reflection. This thing works out in rainbows. That is why I wanted you to understand what this total internal reflection is. So we can see that this incident ray for which there is a reflection inside the same medium, that denser medium, this is known as the total internal reflection. Thank you.